Hello guys, thanks for clicking this video. Today I tried to make Audible logic prop. As you can see, this is very simple project. The designer made a super simple oscillator here to make sound for the buzzer. Is it not buzzer, it's a piezo. As you can see, this one is. These two transistors will make oscillation for the piezo, and finally this transistor will make logic answer for the oscillator part. As you can see, this is too strong, will detect my body oscillation, and the 9-volt battery is good enough for the project. I will stay on the schematic if you want to take a screenshot and make this project. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.